everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you want to know how to manifest money for the new year on a continuous basis, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to show you how to use cinnamon to manifest money or get that money to come towards you. Now listen, this is something I have done before, and I try to update it so that you guys can get the most updated information on how to do these things. So watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to give you 3 ways to use cinnamon right now to manifest or attract money into your life. Now listen, money comes in many different ways. It can come in opportunities, job increases, salary increases, whatever it is. But absolutely, this is one way that I will use for the rest of my life to manifest and attract money. So if you're new to this channel, this is the manifesting law of attraction channel that gives you manifesting techniques in all different ways. So if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Now, let's get to how to use cinnamon to manifest abundance. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this powerful spice that absolutely works when it comes down to manifesting money, abundance in any type of way? Now, listen, cinnamon is a spice, but it has benefits of manifesting, of attracting things into your life. Now, you can use cinnamon for protection, for clearing, and absolutely for abundance. Now, this, out of all the spices, is one of the spices that I will place on the top of my list when it comes down to manifesting. You can use cinnamon in so many different ways. So please like, subscribe, and tap the bell to get notifications of my up and coming videos. Because if you already watch this channel, you know I give you a whole lot of herbal rituals or herbal spells that you can use to attract love, abundance, wealth, whatever it is that you want in your life. Now, the first technique that I want to give you is very simple. And the only thing you need is a wallet. In the area where I keep my money or cards, you can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon in the area. Now, you might be saying, well, Yvette, cinnamon is very messy. What am I going to do? Be creative, you guys, on how you want to do this. You are welcome to take a bag, a sachet bag or organza bag, and basically use this to put the cinnamon in. This one right here has the plastic inside, so it basically will not spill out in your bag. And you can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon in the bag, and you can place it near your money. Now, I'm going to tell you, you don't have to use powder. Cinnamon is cinnamon. You are welcome to take a cinnamon stick or cinnamon chips and place them in the area of your wallet. Now, my tip for you is I would not just place this in my wallet. So you can say something like, thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance. At this time, I want to thank you for all the abundance you have blessed me with so far. At this moment, I am placing cinnamon in my wallet to bring in nothing but abundance for this year and any year afterwards. I will use this money wisely to help myself, to help my family, and to help others. God, I thank you. Universe, I thank you. Allah, I thank you for blessing me with abundance ahead of time. I thank you, and I thank you, and I thank you. And you can take the cinnamon and place it in your wallet. You can even imagine money coming to you, checks coming to you, going to the bank and seeing large amounts of money in your bank account. Whatever it is, the thing is that I want you to visualize, state an affirmation, and state it with gratitude that the universe has already blessed you. Now, moving forward to the next technique, it's the same thing, basically. You're going to use at this point a cinnamon stick or a cinnamon chip, okay? Why are we using cinnamon sticks or cinnamon chips? Because we're going to combine it with sea salt, okay, you guys? Coarse sea salt, whatever it is that you have, I want you to combine it with sea salt. This video, we're talking about sea salt, not any other salt. And what you're going to do is that you're going to combine these two. Now, why use sea salt? Sea salt not only cleanses the area, cleanses your aura, but it also protects and it also attracts abundance. So sea salt by itself, as a herbal spice, has its own benefits when it comes down to manifesting money or abundance or opportunities. You will change your vibration and your level of consciousness to attract abundance in your life. So sea salt and cinnamon are basically at the top of my list. So now what are you going to do with this? You're going to take a cinnamon stick and you're going to swirl it around the sea salt, okay? Again, you can do both sides if it's not that deep, and I need you to swirl it in the sea salt. Now, as you're doing this, you can start thinking of what it is that you want, the money that you want, or what you would do with it, or a new home, a new car, whatever it is you're trying to bring in your life. But for this video here, we're talking about money. So you're going to say again, thank you, God, for blessing me with everything that you have given me so far. At this moment, I see myself being, doing, and having more money so that I can take care of myself, my family, and all those that need help. I will use this money wisely, and I thank you already, God, for all the abundance that you have given me thus so far. And it is done. And you're going to swerve the cinnamon stick in the sea salt. And you're going to place it in your wallet, everyone. Place it in your wallet near your dollars or your credit cards or whatever form that you use to purchase things, okay? And now, if you don't have a wallet, you are welcome to place this in your back pocket, your shirt pocket, whatever it is you want to do. Place a couple of these in your car. Place them at your job, in your desk drawer. Whatever it is. In this channel, I'm trying to give you guys what it is you need to do to bring in that abundance. And I'm updating it so that you guys can know exactly what to do, get results, and thank me later. Now, the last technique I want to tell you about today is very simple. Again, what I'm showing you in this video is the beginning of a series of videos. So what I'm going to show you today is something simple that you can do absolutely right now. Now, on the first day of the month, okay, you guys, the first day of the month, but if you need to do this at a different time, you are welcome to do it, okay? So the first day of the month, I want you to go to your front door, face your front door, and I want you to put a little bit of cinnamon in your hand, and I want you to say, as I blow this cinnamon in my home, abundance come to me every day. As I blow this cinnamon in my home, wealth stays with me every day. As I blow this cinnamon in my home, I am radiating and vibrating and manifesting nothing but abundance to come to me in my home. And I want you to have it in your dominant hand, and I want you to blow it into your home. Now, the door will be open, so as you're standing in your doorway, you're going to blow it. Now, if you don't have a house, you are welcome to do this, blowing it into your apartment from the hallway. Another thing, if you have a room, you can blow it into your room. The whole thing is, as you step into your doorway of wherever it is that you live, you are blowing prosperity in your home. Now, this doesn't take a lot of cinnamon, just a little cinnamon. You shouldn't see cinnamon all over your floor. Blow it in your home. But be careful about the type of floors you have. I have a rug in front of my door, so it blows on my rug. Now, how long are you going to leave the cinnamon on the floor? I would say leave it there for 24 hours, then sweep it up, okay? Now listen, I just gave you 3 simple ways to manifest abundance for the new year using cinnamon. This is very powerful, and I want you guys to watch the next video or subscribe to get more tips on how to manifest using natural herbs. Now, this is a beginning of the series because we're in the beginning of the year, but you can use these at any time, okay? So again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and this is the Manifesting Law of Attraction metaphysical channel that gives you information that will change your life. So again, like, subscribe, and tap the bell. If you want to know anything about my world of metaphysics, please, everything is in the description. If you want coaching or readings or crystals or sage, anything you see in my videos, you can go to the description and it's there for you. Again, namaste.